been waiting a long time for this to happen, and finally it's happened? You want to know what? But you have to wait and see. First, just tell me about
Oh my God, there are a lot of them. I'm sorry. Yeah, you got a lot of babies.
And we're about the size of this one.
That's
This
the
one's
run.
a run, I think. There's one really big one.
Daddy, this is hot. Daddy. Get a bottle. Hey, you don't want that? Dad, film me.
I know. I noticed that this one.
This is the little kitties. They're
All
very,
6 of them.
they're very sleepy, aren't they?
They have a lot of toys to play with, you can see. They're very
Yes.
energetic.
That is the litter, which they always eat, sleep, and play in, and go to the bathroom in. The white ball that you see, that is fairly large, happens to be a balloon. They'll probably pop with their claws soon. The darkest one is Sherpa, and the smallest one is Squeaky. And the darkest small one is Scrappy. The other ones are pretty hard to identify. And actually, if Focus will come around to this side, they try to get out the windows of their little house.
Look, this is an adorable little sight. See it? Look, you see them coming out of the window up here? Daddy. I feel somebody squeaking.
Don't forget, Frida's first fresh fish fry. Friday, 5 o'clock. Enter the Kitty Clubhouse. As you can see, we can close it. No dogs are allowed, as you can see. We just latch it up, pull it up over here.
And look,
If
they're
Focus
vicious
comes around the bend in their box, which they can climb out of, you'll see a little playmat corner with a little hand being bitten.
And this is Sherpa right here, the darkest one.
It's a little weaning formula, just that not as much as she used to. These are the cutest little kittens you've ever saw, aren't they? Rosie even plays with them. Rosie is the proud innocent mother. Just look at them. Aren't they cute? It's hard to believe, looking at the box, that they can climb out of it easily. Look at them in their little play corner. It's not really their play corner. See what I mean? They can get out.